the RYOBI ONE HP Brushless 6.5-inch track saw. The two included 27.5-inch tracks combined for up to 55 inches of controlled, accurate cutting. Make precise score and plunge cuts with the adjustable depth control switch and depth scale. Capable of making versatile -1 to 48-degree bevel cuts and providing almost 2 inches of cut depth while on the track. Track and anti-tip adjustments make for smooth and accurate rip cuts no matter the length. ONE HP technology provides up to 260 linear feet of rip cuts per charge, giving you the power and runtime you need with the portability and cordless convenience of the RYOBI ONE system. The RYOBI ONE HP Brushless 6.5-inch track saw. Part of the ONE system, exclusively at the Home Depot.